name is Shannon Russell and I am an adaptive yoga teacher. I'm here to lead you through what I call the Hinge. It's just 3 yoga moves that you can do on a chair like I'm going to be doing, on a non-grip surface, and could be a bed or a couch. So we're going to get started, and thank you for being here. So we're starting out, just imagine that you got out of bed or out of the chair, and we're going to get every single joint moving, even watch your ankles and your knees. This feels great. And then we're going to come into the foundation of all standing poses in yoga, which is mountain. And this is for daily posture. So take your time, maybe close your eyes, and feel your weight balanced in your feet. Feel your shoulders up, back, and down. And it's like a string is pulling your head up toward the ceiling. And our core is always engaged when we're in mountain. So the next pose is plank. This is a strong pose, really great for the core. Grip the sides of your chair. Step back, up on your toes, heels are up. Now you might have a tendency to sway. We don't want to do that. Pull up your core, engage, have your chest open. You've got a straight back, that's a diagonal. So this is plank, and we're going to go into a dog. So I'm just stepping back, my feet are flat. My fingers are open wide on the chair. My head is between my elbows. And a real key is to push your bottom back behind you as much as you can, and you'll get even more of a low back and full back stretch. One more thing to add to this to help those hips, and that is just a little bit of a hip swing. All you're doing is moving your hips back and forth. And then we're going to step back up and end in a mountain pose with prayer hands. We're going to do this 2 more times, and I'm going to lessen the amount of cues I give so that it can be more meditative for you. So let's start with our nice whole body dance here. Into mountain, plank, gripping sides of the chair, stepping back, making sure your bottom is down, your core is engaged, chin is up. And we're going to walk our feet up and go right into our dog, and walk the feet back a bit. And moving those hips, getting nice motion in the side body. And one more time through. And as you can see, this would be very easy to do for just a few minutes every day. Plank, dog, hips, remember to bend the knees as you walk up. And thank you for joining me. I hope you'll come again.